What's the meaning of bourbon? Bourbon. Bourbon.
Bourbon. Bourbon. Bourbon refers to a type of American whiskey that is primarily made from corn and aged in charred oak barrels. The name itself comes from the French royal family, the Bourbons, who were influential in European politics and culture in the 18th century. Bourbon has a distinct and complex flavor profile, with notes of caramel, vanilla, and oak. It has become a popular drink all over the world and is often enjoyed neat, on the rocks, or in a variety of cocktails. Overall, bourbon is a beloved spirit that holds a special place in American history and culture.